Hi, Cancerians. This is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and this is a video about how will be this month September for all the Cancerians. So the Cancerians are people who are born between June 22 to July 21. All right, so fuck up. You know any Cancerian, please share this video right now. And you could follow this channel because every month I will be putting such kind of videos for all the zodiac signs. Right now, let me meditate a bit for the Cancerians and answer and decode how month September will be fetching for the Cancerians. All right, Tarot, please tell me what are your messages for the Cancerians for the month of September. All right, amazing. So let me remove the cards. Too good. Great. Great. Oh God. This is so amazing that I have been doing readings for Aries, I did for Taurians, I did for Geminis, and now I'm doing reading for you all Cancerians. And always the first card has been such a kind of a card. This is so amazing. All right. Okay, so again, like all the other videos, again, the similar card has come for Cancerians also. You will get a lot of help from feminine energies of the age group 40 to 60. Now, let me explain feminine energies. So, in our body, we have both kind of energies. So, we have the male energy and female energy as well. An ideal female energy is someone who has 51% of female energy and 49% of male energy. And the balanced male is a person who has 51% of masculine energy and 49% of feminine energy. So here I'm talking about any body, regardless of the gender, any body having feminine energy more in the body and less of masculine energy. So you will get help from a feminine energy person of age group 40 to 60. My God. The person will be financially sound. The person who's going to help you will be financially sound, abundant, rich with money, and will be a very good financial advisor. Even any advice of profit and loss regarding relations or regarding any business endeavor, this is the right person to take advice. So overall, this kind of a person will be helping you. Oh God, amazing. Really, relations are going to be at stake. Why? Because people around you right now, at least for the month of September, is what I can talk about. People around you right now are with you for certain kind of an agenda, for certain kind of a profit and loss situation. And it could not only be money, but it also could be your intelligence, your emotional quotient. Oh, this is such a friendly person. He picks up my calls even at 2 a.m. So I'll just take this person for granted and I'll keep this person in my life because anytime I have an emergency, this is the person to call. This is also a very profit and loss kind of a situation. So all the people around you right now, I'm sorry to say, but they are not in unconditional love with you. Their whole love is with some or the other agenda, but it's okay. I think you need not to be troubled by this because 90% of human is like that. So we are in relationship with people with some motive. I mean, that's okay. Just that this time these motives will just come in your forefront You will understand those motives, and maybe you will start feeling a little down or used by people. But it's okay, just 1 month. I think just 1 month. Let it go. And let's see what the other month has in store for us. But relations are relations. They are in your life to give you life experiences. If this is the experience that you have to have right now, you have to get right now, please take it. Because that's why you've taken birth. To take experiences, to understand situations, to understand how to behave in certain situations. So if this information is being fed that this person is in your life for this kind of a motive, God just wants to test you how are you going to react and how will you react. All right. By the end of the video, I would give a certain tip also for you all to deal with such kind of a situation. Let me see what I can do. Okay, so that was majorly about relations. Money position is good. You are a self-made person and you create your own money. You create your own abundance. Um, Whatever you will be doing with money is completely your call. You're completely responsible in the positive sense because you know what you have to do with money. And I told you, you already have an advisor. So if you want to go for any advisory position, 40 to 60 years of a feminine energy, you can anyway have that advice, get that advice from such a kind of a person. But you yourself are also money strong, especially in September. And I think something that you've invested in money will reap its fruits. Maybe some FD getting matured or some mutual fund really, yielding you something really good. Your money position will be nice and there will be a windfall. Some big amount of money will be there in your account. My God, I know it's sounding so nice. For me also, it's sounding so nice that someone in this world is getting a windfall of money. Not someone, all the Cancerians, my God. That's so nice. So big chunk of money, Cancerians, keep that in mind. So sometimes even this big chunk of money takes care of these relation problems. All right, so let me see. Now this career career front, you will feel a little burden. There's a burden card, career front. So maybe that I told you, you are a self-made person. So maybe just ask yourself, are you doing everyone's work? Are you asking, oh, give me your work as well? Are you handling everything single-handedly? Just check. It's okay to take help. There is no necessity to burden yourself. And when I look at this card, I also feel that the burden is from all the sides. Like you have a social burden, you have a financial burden, you have an emotional burden, you have a work burden, you have targets to achieve, goals to achieve. Though your money position is fine, I don't deny that. But there's no need to take everything on your shoulders. Like there could be a mismanagement. This person might not be able to manage this much of a burden. So it's okay sometimes to keep your patterns aside and take help. I have seen so many people who do not even get help. You are going to get help in this month also. Overall also, people will help you. Take help. Supervise. You're a good supervisor. This is what I see. You could supervise, you all could supervise very nicely. So assign work and just supervise. This is what I would like to tell you. Okay. Health condition. Just do your checkups now. I mean, nothing bad. There's no bad card for health, but health condition, you might take for granted. And yes, I agree because you want to do all the work alone. So all the health condition will definitely compromise. So just like I see you drained a lot, I see you physically, emotionally, mentally drained. So just take care of that kind of health. It's okay to take a break. See, universe always gives you signals. It always gives you messages. If you ignore them, then the compulsory break will be a very big issue for you all. And you know what is a compulsory break, like, right? You fall ill or you're hospitalized. Do you really want that? Don't, please cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay, this is one more tip. So if anything just slips out of your mouth, any negative thing, you get 8 minutes to cancel that thought. So you can just say cancel, 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 and the thought is cancelled. All right. So yeah, tip for you all. Negative thinkers. Come on, we all are human, and you're a healer or you're whatever you are. It's okay to sometimes have negative emotions. It's fine. All right. That's also an experience. But you're correcting it. You are acknowledging that. You're accepting that. That's very, very important. Right. So health condition, just a little drained condition. Go meet a counselor. Yeah, just talk it out. I mean, there's nothing wrong. If you go and meet a counselor, it doesn't mean that you're mentally insane. It's okay to just sometimes go and just vent out. That will be a very good thing in this month to do. And travel. Travel is okay if you travel, but um, again, this month you're gonna get people problems with people somehow, you know. So again, that hidden motive comes into consideration. So travel is not a problem that you would have any issue while traveling, just like waste of money. Yeah, waste of money on waste of people. Like you would waste money on people. Overall, what I understand in this month is you just want to do all the work by yourself. You just want to work a lot. I want a lot of money, I understand. But money is anyway gonna come. There's no reason to work so much. Don't be a work alcoholic. Um, just don't take so much of burden. But overall, I'm happy with your readings, Cancerians. So if you find this really nice, your tip. Okay. So one thing that you can do is wear anything of this crystal amethyst. You know, this will calm you down, this will cool you down, this will take care of your mental health, this will connect you to divinity. So this is a bracelet, but you crystals come in so many forms. Like I'm wearing crystal earrings. This is a cluster. So you can just keep an amethyst cluster with you, or a tumble of amethyst which you can put it your water bottle and start drinking that crystalline water. That will also help you a lot. So amethyst is the crystal for you this month, and don't throw it away after the after this month. You can use it. You wear anything of amethyst, or try working with amethyst. Most of the healers have them. You can contact us also if you want a certain prescription. And definitely follow this channel, share this video with all your Cancerians, and all the other videos also when you know the birth dates of people. So thank you, Cancerians. See you soon.